everyone, my name is Jillian. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a packing vlog video type because I'm gonna be moving into my third college dorm. Actually already started packing because I forgot I was gonna make this video, but I caught myself in time. Right now I'm working on packing all my clothes. I just started packing my shirts, and then yesterday I chose like the stuff like I wanted to take. I'm trying to fit mostly everything into this suitcase, and I have a duffel bag, but like I want to limit myself because like the last 2 years I've taken like some clothes that I don't use. So like my shirts, I'm taking like half of my shirts, and I have my gym clothes right here, my pants, well my jeans and like cargos and stuff. And then my shirts right here, I chose out in my closet. Like I separated the clothes I want to take. I also have like jean shorts and stuff like that. But that's what I'm working on right now. And then I also have to take some sweaters because I live in Phoenix, but I go to school up in Flagstaff. And right now it's like in the 60s, 70s, and that's a little chilly for me. So in the night, it's like a little colder. So I do want to take a couple sweaters now. Obviously, when I come back home, I can take more stuff, but just to be prepared, you know. Yeah, let's keep unpacking my clothes. Okay, so I finished packing my shirts. As you saw, I'm surprised it all fit right here. I thought it was gonna be like more like out, like it wasn't gonna fit as good. But now I'm gonna pack my gym clothes, I think, and then my pants. I might not pack as many of my jeans in the luggage, so it won't be as heavy. I'll probably pack most of those in my duffel bag. But I'm also gonna try to pack like knickknacks in there that maybe could break, just so take up more space and like, you know, take advantage of it. But yeah, let's do that now. Okay, y'all, so as y'all saw, I was struggling to close that suitcase, but the thing they put in it was all my shirts, my underwear, socks, my gym clothes, and most of my jeans. Actually, I just ended up putting as many as I could. I literally just have 2 left, and then I have all my jean shorts and stuff left to put or to pack. But that's all the clothes I packed, and I just need my pajamas, like I said, those 2 jeans, the rest of my shorts, my towels, what else, and then I guess in the duffel bag I'm just gonna put more delicate stuff, and then I'm gonna start packing other stuff. My clothes was like the thing I wanted to do first, because after I do my clothes, then I know what else I have to pack. So let's go. Oh, and this is the duffel bag. It looks like it's big and it fits like a lot, and it also has compartments. Oh, I also need shoes, and I also like aparte like the clothes I'm gonna use. Today's Thursday, I leave Saturday, so the clothes I'm gonna use tomorrow and Saturday. So ya aparte de eso, and yeah, let's keep going. All right, y'all, so my camera cut off because I ran out of storage on my phone, but I finished packing for the most part. This one I just put like some of my school supplies in there, my projector, my digital camera, and then some like other knickknacks that I have. There's like compartments on the side right here that are for shoes, so I'm gonna try to fit like 2 or 3 pairs in here, whatever I can. And then I need all of this stuff right here. Like this is like stuff for my desk and like beauty stuff, I don't know. But I think I'm also gonna start packing my makeup, not all of it, I'm gonna leave out like the stuff I use for like my everyday makeup, because I need it for tomorrow and Saturday. But I'm gonna try to avanzar con eso, so tomorrow I don't have as much. Supuestamente first I had 2 days to pack-ish. I gave myself 2 days, but tomorrow I'm gonna be running errands with my mom in the morning, and then I have plans with my friends in the night. So I'm trying to do as much as I can today, so tomorrow it's like no más lo que ocupo mañana, and that's it. On my shower stuff, good thing I made a list because I keep forgetting stuff. Tengo también esta that I'm pretty sure it's for my Kios. Oh shit. On my ganchos, I have to pack those too. So that blue bag, it's pretty spacious too, and I'm putting in stuff that like it's like more durable, like it's not gonna break as easily, because my dad and stuff, they're gonna help me. They're gonna go with me on Saturday, and they're gonna help me, but like ellos no saben todo lo que empaqué, you know, and I can tell them to be careful, but quién sabe, you know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna finish doing that, and then all my colcha, this stuff right here. So my colcha, blankets, mis almohadas, all that, I'm gonna get them in like I'm gonna put them in a vacuum sealed bag, so it's like less space, because I don't have any more bags to put it in. And all my makeup stuff and my like jewelry, my skincare, my toothbrushes and stuff like that, I'm gonna put that in this green duffel bag. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and I also have kitchen stuff. We have like a storage in our backyard, and I have like my cleaning supplies and like kitchen stuff in a box. Excuse me, but I'm gonna get that once my dad gets home. So for now, what I want to do is finish packing this stuff in my bed, clear my bed, and then start packing some of the stuff on my dresser, because I have a shit ton of stuff right there too. And like those, it's just like little stuff now. Like the big stuff, it's like done for now. I thought it was gonna take longer, but thank goodness I didn't. But yeah, let's do that now. Right, y'all. So as y'all saw, I finished packing my makeup. This is like random stuff I had on my dresser. This is my everyday that I'm gonna keep out for now. And then this is like the rest of my makeup and other stuff that I wanted to pack from my dresser again. And then I still have this stuff that I need to put in that duffel bag. So I'm gonna do that right now. We'll see if it all fits. And I completely forgot to pack sweaters. I literally only packed like 2 long sleeves in the maleta, so I need to get some sweaters. It's not gonna fit in the maletas, so I'll probably like vacuum seal it with my colchas and stuff. I think I'm gonna do that. And I wanted to take a pair of my botas. I have this cobija right there, like right here, that green one that I also want to take. I need to get that done now, or else I'm gonna forget. But we'll see if I vacuum seal that one. I know, said, dude, I literally have a lot of things. Like, I need to do this, I need to do that. Like I said, I'm trying to get as much done today, so I'm not stressing tomorrow. And tomorrow too, like I can be like, oh, I forgot this, like, so it gives me time to think about more stuff that I need to take. Okay, I'm gonna pack this green duffel bag, but I need to leave space in it for like knickknacks. And then yeah, and then I also have to take all my crochet stuff. It's down here, okay, where the pink bag is. But yeah, right now it's just like little stuff now. Oh, and my shower stuff, I need to pack that, but obviously I need it for today and tomorrow. But yeah, that's all that's left. So I'm gonna finish packing that, and then I'm just gonna juntar everything else I need to pack, and then I'll probably do it later when I vacuum seal like the stuff. And I still have my backpack, but right now all I need to put in that is my iPad and my computer. So that one is probably gonna have like more space, but I'm gonna pack that tomorrow because I still need it for today. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish packing whatever. I also got braces on Monday. if y'all didn't notice, but let's continue packing. Okay, y'all, so I finished like gathering everything I need except my shower stuff, because obviously I still need that. But in this pink bag I put the rest of my dresser stuff, some palettes. I put like these stuff on top because I'm gonna put it in my laundry basket once I empty it. And I'm also gonna, in that laundry basket, I'm gonna put like these leggings I want to take, like dirty clothes I want to take, I'm gonna wash over there. So I'm gonna put that, and I'm gonna put like these stuff right here that I can like wrap it in it and stuff, just like, again, like miscellaneous stuff to put in my laundry basket to carry that. So that's like basically all I need. And then I need to pack my Alexa too, but I'm gonna put that in my backpack. And then on my bed I put my comforter and my pillows right here, and my jackets that I'm gonna try to vacuum seal with it, because I don't have space in the maletas like I said before. And then I got down the blanket, but that's pretty much all I need. Oh, and I got my crochet stuff and my nail stuff right there. Oh, in the pink bag I also put the nail stuff. Yeah, that's basically all I need. I'm just waiting for my dad to get home so he can help me get my stuff out of our storage closet or storage room, whatever it's called. And then yeah, so I'll probably show you guys that later today once my dad gets home. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for right now. Okay, everybody, so it's the next day. It kind of looks like I'm wearing the same thing, but I'm not. But I think I recorded a little bit of me vacuum sealing my comforter and stuff. So I just did that and my pillows. So in the first one I did my comforter, the sheets, the mattress pad or cover, 2 blankets, and then some sweaters. And then I did, only 2 of my pillows fit and 1 of the bags, but it's fine. But all I need is like this little stuff on my dresser, but I think most of it I'm gonna put in my backpack, because I still have a lot of space in that one. But I'm gonna put a clip of my living room, like where I'm putting all my stuff. It kind of looks like a lot, well, it kind of is a lot, but I'm basically living, like, I live in Flagstaff for, what is it, like 9 months out of the year. So like it kind of makes sense that I take most of my stuff, you know. But that's all gonna falta in my, hold on, my canasta right here. I put my shoes, the Virgencita, I think I'm gonna put it in my backpack too. And then I think I showed you guys this pink bag that I'm putting like random stuff in it too. I just still have my makeup out because I need it for tomorrow, but it's just finishing up all that stuff, and it's kind of boring, so it's like all over the place, so it's hard for me to record it. But I guess that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was entertaining. My next video is gonna be my moving vlog. I think I mentioned in this vlog that my family is all going with me, and then my dorm is like an apartment style. So yeah, like I said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.